Take a ride in the 2019 Audi e-tron. The Audi e-tron is an electric crossover that's just the right size for all your driving needs. Loaded with interior technology features, the e-tron will remind you that you're in a cutting-edge vehicle. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.